Good day, M6350. Please introduce yourself.
Good day. Hello, ma'am, sir. I am Shalabay Fernando from Romblon, Philippines, 39 years old, single. I have one brother and one sister. I am a college undergraduate taking up Bachelor of Science in Criminology. I'm also a Christian,
Okay, your civil status.
single.
Do you have children?
No.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
I have a local experience here in the Philippines, 4 years with different household, 2016 to 2018.
Okay,
I
how
have
many family members?
including a couple and 2-year-old girl.
Okay, what time do you wake up?
I wake up 7 a.m. in the morning.
Okay, after you wake up, what would you do?
I check the baby and do the household and because my sir is working.
Okay, do you do general cleaning?
Yes, ma'am.
How about cooking?
Also, yes.
Marketing?
Marketing also.
Okay, do you do car washing?
I do car washing.
Okay, and what type of...
4 wheels.
Okay,
Twice a week.
okay, do you finish your contract?
Yes, I end my contract.
Okay, what is
And
your focus here?
my focus is the kid.
Okay, so do you take care of the 2-year-old and all around?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any experience beside here?
Also, I work from 2023 to 2025. Also, a couple and a 2-year-old boy.
Okay, so what time do you wake up here?
I also wake up 7 a.m. in the morning
Okay,
and do the marketing, car washing also, and cooking.
okay, do you do general cleaning?
I do the general cleaning.
Tutoring?
Yes, tutoring also.
Okay, you finish your contract?
I finished my contract good and well.
Okay, are you the only helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your focus is?
My focus is also the kid.
Okay, your focus is taking care of a 2-year-old and the household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, since you have experience taking care of a 2-year-old baby, do you know how to prepare milk?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
First, I will make sure that my hands are clean before touching the baby bottle and check the powder milk label on the instructions on how to prepare it.
And then you will check the
The temperature
temperature.
also.
And then you will shake it and then
Shake it.
feed it to the baby, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, what would you do if the baby is crying?
First, of course, again, I will make sure that my hands are clean. I will, if the baby is wearing a diaper, I will check the diaper first and also the temperature. And if in any ways, I will feed the baby.
Okay, what would you do if the baby is still crying despite your efforts?
I will call the attention of the parents.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because the country is very nice and a lot of opportunity.
Okay, how long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
I am planning to work in Hong Kong for 2 years.
And more,
Yes,
depending
ma'am.
on your
Yes.
employer's need, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Mm,
No, but are you willing to learn?
yes, I'm willing to learn.
Okay, in what way?
I will watch in YouTube.
Okay.
For
Are you
example.
willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about elderly?
Yes, also.
Okay, is it okay for you to share room with kids or other family
Yes,
members?
ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, would you be open to learning Cantonese if a member of your employer's household doesn't speak English?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it okay for you to eat the food that your employer provides?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it okay for you to have alternate day offs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me. I'm trustworthy. I'm honest and God-fearing. I am willing to learn and I do follow instructions well. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Sheila. Thank you.